Alright. Now, we're gonna find it. Then... Or, you know, you could type in Migo. That's fine too. Aha! Aha!
Right now it's only sharing the, what do you call it? Your browser. Not sharing, like, your desktop.
Oh, then I hit the wrong thing. Let me try it again.
There you go.
Okay. Cool. Alright, so... this one. Alright, so, I want to execute it. Oh, I sound so intense. And we are receivers, and we want to post the receipts, post the GRs. Okay. And this is this one, right? Yes. So here's the PR. Oh, it looks like it automatically... We'll do it anyway, just for fun. Okay. Alright. Next step on my cheat sheet. Let's see, we put in the PO. Can you see all this?
Yep.
Okay. Step 1, we put in the PO. Step 2, change the document date to the invoice date. So what is the date on this? This. It's just always so much back and forth. Okay. Alright, now, this cheat sheet is not quite up to date. It has this optional thing. We should ignore that. But we should add in a little, well, delivery note. And the delivery note here is the invoice number. So, I think it's there. No, that's the reference. Oh, document ID. It's, should match whatever our people called it. Oh, alright.
Job number?
Yeah, sure.
That's not match.
No, they do not match. They do not match. 1, 2, 2, 3. Maybe West Coast has... They've made some adjustments to this, right? Was one of them... This is what I'm thinking is one of them... Whoop.
I was going to say that might be the original invoice number.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I do not know. I do not know. Okay.
The original job number is still 505.
Well, I'm going to put in this one. It's like an optional little nice thing to have, so it's not crucial. I want it to match what our purchasing people have in their records. Okay, and that's today's date, so that's good. Alright. Now, we switched it to be category A. I don't know where category B is, but, and then category C and D. Oh, well, that's my bad. I clicked on it. Then E. So, oh, and then F. Oh, what else do we have? Do we have more? No. I typed in, yeah, whatever. So we're only going to stick with E for this. Alright.
So were these lines populated when you kind of messed with it?
Yeah, so because whoever it is, Nora or Sol, has been on top of this, they attached the correct PO already to this invoice. So when I went in here and typed in the purchasing order into this box, that's
and then hit enter, that's when all that stuff filled out.
Yeah. But because they had already done it, me doing it was unnecessary. If I had just left it alone, it would have had just the regular population with just A, C, D, E, F. Because I typed in the purchasing order number again and hit enter, it gave me a second round after the first round. See, it gave me another A, C, whatever. So there are like two copies with the, oh no, get out of here. Yeah. So, sometimes it'll be populated and sometimes it won't be. This time it was, and I decided to populate it a second time too. Just because. Does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay. So, when we were looking at this invoice, it had only category E, and I really hope it shows up. But I don't think it's going to. Well, it would have been nice to display that invoice, but oh well. So, we know that it was all in category E, and this is the total for that category. So we're putting this here. Okay. Let me make sure, based on my cheat sheet, that's where we're going. Yes. Invoice amount, oh, and then hit enter. That's what I haven't done. Enter. Okay. Alright. Step 4 is click OK. Alright. And then step 5 is, if I scroll down, once you complete steps 1 through 4, select the check button and see if it gives us the go-ahead. So, check. Okay. So this is where Sergio says green means go, yellow means go, yeah, and red means stop. So, yellow means go. Alright, so we are good to go after that. Step 6, once you select post, a number will be generated right down here in like the worst possible place. Why should we be looking for notifications there? I don't know, but that's where it is. I think they actually switched it so that it's a little pop-up now. Yeah, there we go. So that is our goods receipt number, is this big thing. what I like to do with it, just to keep track of them, is to put it in here, over here in comments. Let me save this just in case. Okay. Okay. So now that one is done. And it's gone.
And yeah, once it gets posted, it leaves.
Yeah. I think then it either goes to my pending. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh wait, no. That's a different dash A. Perhaps. Maybe in...
Yeah, that's a different dash A. That one still needs to be changed.
Ah. Maybe it goes to our purchasing team before it shows up in my lists. So I'm not sure where else it would be. Not that it's a big deal, but... Oh. Hey. What? What? How did it get back here? Right? Alright. Oh no. No! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Alright, let me get back into that. But why did it show back up? You don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to do it again because I don't want to double pay it. Oh. I think I will email somebody. Let's email so okay. Hi, Soul. You know what? I don't need to record this part of it. Let me pause. Okay, so now I will do another one. And it'll be this one. And again, we are the receivers, and we want to post the GRs, good receipts. Okay, so this one's the same thing. Whoever it is already attached this PO. So all of these line items have already been populated. So I'm going to leave it as it is, so that we don't get the double, I don't know, line items going on. Okay. So, step 1 has already been done for us. Step 2, the document date. This one is November 5th, 2020. There at the invoice date. November